Good.
My name is Kubit. I'm with the mechatronics program, and this is a door opening robot. And right now I'm using a rack and pinion system in order to try and bring the movement about the vertical axis in closer so that it doesn't lift up the front wheels. So we got a little bit of weight here for traction. It's geared up for four-wheel drive, so it's pretty low geared. So there we go. And that's the door opening robot. Again, my name is Kubit with the mechatronics program. Thank you for watching.